Welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. We took a week off last week for Mother's Day, busy and everything. So we'll get back at it this week, and what I'm going to do is we're going to remove mold lines from parts. And I have some different, you got some different ways to do it. You got flexifiles for round parts and sandpaper and just sanding sticks. And then you got a pencil here. And let's start with this radiator. Can you see that mold line right there? You want to highlight that mold line with the pencil. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to give you the rough idea. See the mold? See how you can see it much better now? Then you take one of your sanding twigs, whatever grit you want to use. You sand it until the mold line's gone. And then I use some 600 grit to go over it. And you take your sanding twigs, sand twigs out, and now nice fresh piece with no mold line. I mean, it's really that simple. Now on round parts like this suspension piece here, use your flexifiles, which is a flexible sandpaper on a file. It's a really cool deal. It comes in different grits, and I don't know if we're going to be able to highlight this one or not, but I'll try. You see the mold line there where I highlighted with the pencil? You take your sand and whatever grit you want to use, which this one is, it says it includes red, gray, orange, and black. The coarse is the black, which is this one. So you take it and go over the part. And then when you're done, take your 600 grit sandpaper and you try to roll the part as you go. And you see right there where my finger's at, the mold line's gone, and that's all there is to it. You just finish it, get all the mold lines out, and using that procedure, and then prime it and paint it like you normally would. That's it. See you next week.